morning, children. Today let us discuss about tropical deciduous forest. We know that what is the speciality of evergreen. Previous class we have studied all through the year it has green cover. Okay, the forests are completely covered in green all through the year. And a tropical deciduous forest, in the tropical region itself there is a deciduous forest also. What is the speciality of deciduous forest? We know that deciduous forests or the trees shed their leaves in particular seasons. So these trees or the forest, tropical deciduous forests are mostly widespread forests in India. Many parts of our country we can find in the all over the especially in the tropical regions. So they are also called monsoon forest and spread over the region, receiving rainfall between 200 and 70 centimeters. So not high rainfall but a medium or moderate rainfall occurs, which are the regions like we know that 200 to 70 centimeters of rainfall occurs in the tropical deciduous forest. These also we can find many parts of our country we can find tropical deciduous forests are also called monsoon forests because it depends upon the monsoon rainfall. How much of quantity of monsoon is received, depending upon that these trees are also grown. Here trees of this forest type shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks in dry summer when it is summer season, in order to save the trees, and the trees shed their leaves about 6 to 8 weeks in dry summer season. These trees shed their leaves. So we can find the trees look like dried completely without any leaf. On the basis of the availability of water, these forests are further divided into moist and dry deciduous. So tropical deciduous forests are again divided into moist and dry deciduous forests. So the former or the moist is found in areas receiving the rainfall between 200 and 100 centimeters. Moist deciduous forests are found where these regions receive 200 to 100 centimeters. So these forests exist therefore mostly in the eastern part of the country, northeastern states along the foothills of the Himalayas, Jharkhand, West Odisha, etc. and Chhattisgarh. So these regions, moist deciduous forests are mostly occur in the eastern parts of the country. Okay, especially northeastern states like in the Himalayan regions of the foothills of the or the Shivalik regions of the Himalayas, and also in the states of Jharkhand, Western Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and even the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats. We have studied that Western Ghats are covered with the evergreen forest, but the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats are rain shadow region. We studied earlier classes. So these regions also we can find a tropical deciduous forest or the tropical moist deciduous forest. Okay, so teak is one important plant or tree here. It is very dominant species of the forest. In the tropical moist forest, teak trees are very important. Bamboo, sal, shisham, sandalwood, kher, kusum, arjun and mulberry. These are also another trees found here. Especially these are commercially important trees. These are all used for many commercial purposes. Okay, for selling in the market. For especially we know sandalwood is very costly, and bamboo trees are also cut for making many types of articles now. So these are important trees found in the deciduous moist forest also. The dry deciduous forests are now found in the areas having rainfall between 100 and 70 centimeters only. So 70 centimeters, 100 to 70 centimeters rainfall, which are the regions having the dry deciduous forests. So these forests are found in the rainier parts of the peninsular plateau, especially in the South India, in the peninsular plateau and the plains of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. These regions also, these regions are very open stretches with teak trees, sal, peepal and neem trees are also grown in these regions. So large prominent trees in these regions are also teak, sal, peepal and neem. So a large part of this region has been cleared for cultivation and some parts are used for grazing also. In the dry deciduous forest region, these areas are cleared, these trees are cut for agricultural purpose and some are left for the grazing animals also. So in these forests we can find some of the common animals like a lion, tiger, pig, deer and elephant. These are the common animals: lion, tiger, pig, deer and elephants. The huge variety of birds can be found here. Lizards, snakes, tortoise are also other insects or reptiles or animals found here. So these are all about tropical deciduous forest. Now in the next class we will study the thorn forest and scrubs, which we know that they are mostly existing in the desert regions.